After you remove the hands protector, look at the hands. Do not move the hands, keep them pointing at 12. Now, you should see a small gap between them like it's showing in this video. This means they are in good position. View the clock from the side to see its profile. Using your finger, gently turn the wheel inside the mechanism. Check that the hands move freely and do not touch each other. Repeat that a couple of times. If the hands don't touch, that means you can insert the battery. If you don't see the gap between the hands, follow these steps to adjust them. Remove the hands in 3 steps. First, take off the metal cap. Second, remove the first hand. Third, remove the second hand. Reattach the hands. Start with the minute hand pointing at 12. Push it gently, not too hard. Next, place the hour hand. Apply the metal cap and push it gently again. Check for the gap between the hands. Check the hands' movement. Position the clock vertically so you can see it from the side. Move the wheel inside the mechanism with your finger to see the hands moving freely.